Gifting to Gain has been rebirthed out of the tax reduction specialist's 30 years of experience and the return out of retirement to save lives with clean water and save taxes in the giving of it. Gifting to Gain are specialists in gifting kind donations as opposed to gift in cash. If you Google Toronto or any other major city plus gift in kind, you will see numerous charities promoting it on their websites. However, this is a little known personal benefit. We have taken the concept used by businesses for decades and made it personal for individuals to deduct, to buy, transfer, and be receipted for goods needed by registered charities. Making donations at a profit, as different as that sounds, is reflected in tax saving, donating goods less cost to you than the tax saved donating. The concept of gifting kind is like donating $1,000 but getting a $5,000 receipt for your donation. There's a value higher than the cost of goods. Gifting to Gain was inspired to bring me out of retirement to raise funds for my son's ICU paralysis and current recovery needs going forward. Pray for Joshua, please, for hope in the context of the process. As stated before, Gifting to Gain's personal gift in kind donation program has been used corporately and by small businesses to donate to charity to reduce corporate taxes. We've made this compliant for individuals to be able to buy in a turnkey, buy, donate, get a tax refund program. This is available in all 50 states and saves budget money at charities. A win-win all around. Gifting to Gain is in partner with a Grand Rapids low for-profit NGO that's all about providing clean water. They do everything in the process, including well, parts, primarily out of motivation in Africa, but available across the third world. Warehousing and delivery can be made from various locations around the world. Charities do not have to warehouse product. All these disaster and relief organizations utilize the product that we promote with Gifting to Gain from Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble purifier tablets came about as a result of an addition to a product that was designed to clean industrial washing machines. The purifier products added 2 chemicals to the water, and it can take nasty swamp water, flood water, corrupted wells, and clean the water as per the next slide. This illustrates in the video how the product works. Actual 1 small sachet cleans a 10-liter container brought from a river, lake, or God forbid, swamp. in 30 minutes, chlorinated water with bugs killed. Our board of directors has a wealth of gray hair knowledge, even if some of them tint it and others shave it. Our advisory board brings distinct years of experience to different phases of our company. Our program is a win-win with charities. Taxes are saved at profit by donors. Ownership is by transfer of title to the charity. No warehousing is involved. Distribution and delivery of goods according to tax rules is the only limiting time of when goods must be fulfilled to a project. This is an exciting model of how the product can be distributed to the least of these. Malawi is dirt poor, like the Haiti of Africa. And Pastor Moses is using a former product that we've stopped shipping due to the weight and expense to give to people who come in from the villages for health ministry. And now they're also getting clean water solutions for the month. In an update, they're now coming back in extensive numbers to get their clean water solution for the month, changing lives to the least of these.
Greetings, this is Moses from Malawi, and just wanted to acknowledge the receipt of the aquatabs. These water purification tablets, and for Malawi it is a privilege to have these. So we are in discussion with the Ministry of Health, because we will administrate this program through the Ministry of Health here in Malawi. It is a program that we expect more households to be benefiting, and we expect our communities, our nation will be also transformed and have an impact in terms of health. So we will come back to you to see how we're going to administrate this. Thank you so much. May the Lord bless you so much. Amen.
Benefits for donors are full support in the turnkey process, reducing taxes up to 75% if goods are donated in the calendar year. Otherwise, they can be carried forward and donated in a future year, which affords estate planning. Not that we know the day we're going to be dying. Do you prefer paying your debts, having more money, or letting have the government control the use of your money? By donating, you can immediately reduce tax owing depending on your circumstances and lower taxes in a future year. Consult with us once we're under retainer. Tax savings are a North American solution, unique to meeting world water needs. Individuals donating can save tax up to 75%, more even for Americans earning in Canada who get a double deduction. Marketing and distribution is through joint ventures with charities, fundraisers, and influencers to get more tax saved. As I say to athletes, we're not after your money. We're after the government's money for you. Delivery of goods is helped in the third world as recipients who have computers in their hand called cell phones can reach out to North Americans to promote their own need for clean water. The relationship going forward, it can be powerful. Needs are met, and many overflow with thanks to God. With the varied rates and tax brackets in 50 states. Here's an estimate close to the average qualifying tax rate. For this outlay of $14,000 of donation fee and cost of goods, this would be the tax recovered at profit in each percentage. This is why we do a tax plan to see if you qualify and suggest the right donation. Minimum $20,000 of fair market value. An example of a $300,000 W-2 or self-employed individual. State and federal tax at 42%. The donor acquires wholesale goods from Gifting to Gain worth $39,000 cash, but with a fair market value of $150,000, the donated value. Taxes reduced by $63,000. Putting cash in pocket. And if you viewed this as an investment return, it's 62% in a 5-month period from November to tax refund. Chat with any questions you may have after you book your appointment. We have a chat app on giftingtogain.org. We welcome questions. The Gifting to Gain personal gift in kind donation program is a copy of what's been done for decades by businesses. The key piece is the ability to acquire goods at a sub-wholesale price, donate to a charity that's in need of them or can forward to another charity. Receipts are made based on the fair market or retail value of the product, and we help with individual donors valuing their charitable receipt. Receipts can be filed on the 2024 tax, or if there's unused amount, can be carried forward up to 5 years. Tax savings are a North American solution, unique to meeting world water needs. Individuals donating can save tax up to 75%, more even for Americans earning in Canada who get a double deduction. Marketing and distribution is through joint ventures with charities, fundraisers, and influencers to get more tax saved. As I say to athletes, we're not after your money. We're after the government's money for you. Delivery of goods is helped in the third world as recipients who have computers in their hand called cell phones can reach out to North Americans to promote their own need for clean water. The relationship going forward, it can be powerful. Needs are met, and many overflow with thanks to God. The program can be subscribed with a retainer. Then book your tax plan and consultation with your advisor if desired. We love speaking with accountants and financial planners because when they see the program, they're very receptive to it. Next step, once you've decided on the amount you'd like to donate, you then acquire the wholesale goods and plan ahead for your tax return in the spring. We ask that people refer 3 to 5 others who get to make up their own mind about the Gifting to Gain program. This is rewarded in our influence program, which will not be part of this slideshow. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Any questions can be answered in our chat or by booking an appointment with yourself and your advisor if need be. May God bless you as you give.